Chantal once again. Please come and join me. Let's complete this song. Have you ever seen the rain? Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time, and it's overload, they say. It will rain on Sunday day. I know, shining down like water.
I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yesterday and days before, time is cold and rain is hard. I know, in that way for all my time, you forever only goes through the circle fast and slow. I know, it can't stop, I wonder.
I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down sunny day. Yeah. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain?
I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day.